I feel that I am a proud KVian because I have been associated with KV for 45 years, that is 12 years as student from class 1 to 12, and then almost 33 years of service in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. And I am really delighted, I am really happy, excited that the government of India has given us this opportunity to be as a special guest, present as a special guest at Red Fort for Independence Day celebration 2023. I feel privileged also, thanks to Government of India, PMO, and thanks to Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan for giving me an opportunity to be a part of this celebration. I know that it is a great responsibility on our shoulder also, because we are considered to be nation builders, and from foundational level to the nation building level, it is our responsibility to take the glory of India more glorious and make the status of India world famous and rising in the global level. Happy Independence Day to all. आज़ादी हक भी है अपना, अपनी जिम्मेदारी भी, जाग के हमको करनी होगी इसकी पहरेदारी भी। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं आप सबको स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ।